Welcome to the presentation on using diagrams to solve problems. In this session, we will explore how diagrams can be used to solve real-world problems using the example of a cricket bat maker who needs to cut a log into pieces. The cricket bat maker needs to cut a big log of English willow into 7 pieces. It took him 42 minutes to obtain the desired pieces. Given the time it took the bat maker to cut 7 pieces, we need to figure out how long it will take him to cut 5 pieces out of a log of wood of the same diameter and hardness. To solve this problem, we can use a diagram that shows 7 pieces of wood from the log. First, we will divide 42 by 6 to find how long it takes to cut one piece. But why are we dividing by 6 and not 7? When we start cutting and make the first cut, we will have 2 pieces. Therefore, we need to make 6 cuts and not 7. The 7th piece will be the leftover. This will give us the time required to cut one piece, which is 7 minutes for each cut. Then, using this time, we can calculate how long it will take to cut 5 pieces, which will be 35 minutes. The solution consists of 2 steps. The first step is dividing 42 by 6 to get 7, representing the time it takes to cut one piece. The second step is to multiply 7 by 5 to get 35, which represents the time it will take to cut 5 pieces. Therefore, it will take the cricket bat maker 35 minutes to cut 5 pieces from the log. Diagrams are an efficient problem-solving tool that can help to visualize a given problem. Visualization can help in understanding the problem and solving it. By breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps, we can find solutions with ease.